guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's CVS haul. Thank you for joining me once again. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and also like to have you as a part of this channel. Check your clearance section out because mine has so many going on this week. Some of the blankets and the throws and the sofas. Make sure you're checking yours in case yours is marked down as well. I don't think it's too early to start stocking up for Christmas, and I wish you good luck and I hope you find something that you will like. The first day we'll be talking about will be on the Neutrogena Cosmetics. It's on sale for buy one get one 40% off, and when you buy two, you get $2 back. I'll be picking up two of the wipes. Make sure you're picking up these wipes at the cosmetics section with the Neutrogena. We have a $3 digital coupon that will attach to this. And I also have another $3 coupon I got from coupons.com. It's no longer available. The instant CRT we received today is also attaching to this. That will take off $8, leaving me to pay just $2.78, and I'll get $2 back, making both items 78 cents or 39 cents each. But I have a 4 off of 14x purchase CRT I got at the end of my receipt that I'll be adding to this. Let me pick up more items. Next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the Chips Ahoy. It's part of the buy two get $2 back, and it's on sale for two for $7. I'll pick up two. I don't have any coupon for this, and there is no rebate that I found for this. That means I'll be paying the $7 and I'll get $2 back, making both items $5 or $2.50 each. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the CoverGirl. It's on the deal of buy two, you get $6 back, and this is a limit of 1 per card. I'll pick up two of the brow pencils, priced at $5.79. That will come up to $11.58. I will use two of the $3 coupon we got in 3-5 savings sets. It expired on 3/9/18, so make sure your store still accepts that. But there is another one that came out in 3/19 Smart Sauce that you can still use. Two of them will take off $6, leaving me to pay $5.58. Then I'll get $6 back, making both items free and a 42 cents money maker. The last deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the L'Oreal Elvive. It's on buy two, you get $4 back, and both of them will be regular priced items. So if you have percentage off coupon, this will be a good item to use it with. I have a 3 off of 2 coupon that I'll be using with this, and I got this coupon from coupons.com. It's no longer available. And we also have another matching coupon in our app, another 3 off of 2. Both of them will double dip and take off $6, leaving me to pay just $4.98, and I'll get $4 back, making both items just 98 cents or 49 cents each. This is the 4 off of 14x purchase CRT I'll be using with this transaction, and these are all the items I'll be picking up. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. My receipt, and everything worked out very well. I picked up all the items and all my coupons applied. The L'Oreal Elvive double dipped and took off extra $3. All the Neutrogena coupons came off, and the $2 instant CRT came off as well. I ended up using just $12.78 extra care box, got back $2 for the Neutrogena, $6 for the CoverGirl, and I also got back the $4 for buying two of the L'Oreal Elvive, and got back $2 for the cookies. This whole transaction ended up being just $2.42 or 34 cents each. The next transaction I did is not giving back any extra care box, but the Rice Krispie treats is on sale for $1.99 each. I picked up two. And also the Pop-Tarts, they're on sale for $1.99 as well. I picked up two as well. I went on Kellogg website and I printed a coupon for the Rice Krispie treats. That's $1 off two. And also for the Pop-Tarts, I printed a $1 off two coupon as well. You can actually print this coupon 2 times. That will bring it down to $5.98. And this is my receipt. I used the $6 extra care box. I didn't pay any tax for this. That means all 4 items are $5.96 or $1.49 each. Next deal I'll be doing will be the spend 30 get $10 back, the household items. I'll pick up this gain on sale for $6.99, and we have a $1 digital coupon that will attach to it. Then to complete my spend 30, I'll be picking up 6 of the Febreze. My store is priced at $4.99 each, and this is buy one get one half off. That means 3 of them will be full price and 3 of them will be half off. I'll be using 3 of the BOGO coupon we got from the 3-5 savings set, and the maximum amount of money you can take off is $3.30. And we have another BOGO coupon in our app that will double dip and take off another $3.30. The coupons I'm using expired on the 18th. I can still use it at my store. If you're confused about expired coupon, all you have to do is ask your cashier and they will tell you whether they accept it or not. When all the coupons apply, I'll end up paying just $13.26 and I'll get $10 back, making all 7 items $3.26 or 47 cents each. But I have an 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT I received in my email that I'll be using for this transaction. Since I'm using the 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT and this spend 30, I'm only at $29.46. I'll be adding more deals to this transaction. The next deal I'll be picking up will be the spend 25, get $10 back on Chic, Skintimate and Bulldog products, and this is a limit of 1 per card. I'll pick up 2 of the Bulldog Razor, priced at $7.49 each, and I'll pick up the Chic Extreme, priced at $9.79. All 3 items will come up to $24.77. That's within the 98% rule. And that's another thing that you have to make sure your store follows. If not, you'll not be getting your $10 back. I'll be using a $4 paper coupon I got from coupons.com. It's no longer available. And I have 2 of the $4 off of 1 coupon that is attaching to this. That means I'm using 2 from the app and 1 paper coupon. After all the coupons apply, it will bring it down to $12.77. Then I'll get $10 back, making all 3 items $2.77 or 92 cents each if I'm doing this by itself. But remember, I'm adding this to the 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT. At this point, I'm already at 40 to be able to use my 8 off of 40, but I'll be adding the Dove deodorant deal to this transaction. It's on sale for buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy 4, you get $10 back, and this is a limit of 1 per card. I'll pick up 2 of the Dove Women, priced at $6.29 each. That means 1 will be full price and 1 will be half off. Then I'll also pick up 2 of the Men, priced at $8.49. 1 will be full price and 1 will be half off. I only have the 4 off of 2 coupon we got in our Max Unilever. I think it came out in $3.19 insert. I'll be using the 4 off of 2 for the Men. And we have another 4 off of 2 in our app that will double dip. And for the women, we also have a 4 off of 2 that will also double dip. All 4 items came up to $22.16 if you're doing this by itself. Then after the coupons apply, it will bring it down to $10.16. Then I'll get $10 back, making all 4 items 16 cents or 4 cents each. This is everything I'll be picking up in this transaction. The spend 30, the Chic, and also the Dove deodorant. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and everything worked out fine. You can see all the items I picked up. All my coupons came off as expected. For the Febreze, it double dipped, the Dove as well, and also the Chic Men came off both the digital coupon and the paper coupon I gave them. My 8 off of 40 came off as well. I ended up using just $31.16 extra care box for this transaction, paid $1.60 out of pocket, and I got back $10 for the spend 30, get $10 back, got back $10 for the spend 25, get 10, and also got back $10 for buy 4, get 10 back. This whole transaction ended up being just $1.16 or 8 cents each. Wet n Wild Cosmetics is on spend 12, you get $6 back. I did this transaction differently. I wasn't doing it to get the extra care box back, but I'm doing this on a different card. I picked up 3 of the lip liners priced at $1.29, and I used the instant CRT we got last week and the one we got this week. And this is my receipt. As you can see, both CRTs are applied. I paid 0 out of pocket and I didn't get back any extra care box. But at the bottom of my receipt, it shows it's tracking and I know I'm not going to finish it up. So in case you want to do this, you can just pick up the free one or you can complete the transaction. Final transaction I did is not giving back any extra care box, but I picked up more snacks. It's on sale for 3 for 5. And I used this 40 cents off of 2 coupon I got from Kellogg website. I ended up paying just $4.20 and I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $1, making all 3 items just $3.60 or $1.20 each. And this concludes my haul for this week. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye.